Office, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Wayne County Sheriff's Office has confirmed a child abduction that occurred at 313 Washington St. Keynes, Illinois. Hallie J. Matthews is a female, white, 9-year-old, 4 feet tall, 90 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. She is wearing a blue nightgown and pink shoes. Hallie was last seen by her father at approximately 6:45 p.m. today at their residence. Hallie was taken from the residence by Teresa A. Hill, M.S. Hill is 5 feet 2 inches tall and weighs 190 pounds, and has blonde hair and blue eyes. Teresa Hill is driving a teal 2012 Ford Focus with Indiana license 290RVI. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Vicinity, including the city.